airport now for 3 hours, just trying to organise a visa and to just queuing and queuing and queuing. Finally got to the bus, which I'm on. That's now going to take me to the hotel for a couple of hours. So I've had a shower. I slept a lot longer than I thought I would, and I just said, look, I need to get out of the hotel for a couple of hours and just go to a shopping mall or something. So I'm in this square. I don't know what it's called or where I am or how I'm going to get back to the hotel, but I'm just going to go and have a wander. So I'll speak to you later. Walking around, still not quite sure what I'm doing. Not got very long now, so I am going to go and get something to eat. When in doubt, look for the golden arches. I'm in a department store. It's about half an hour away from the hotel. Just wondering, looking around, see if there's anything I can buy. And quite disturbingly, I come across this. I thought they were plastic, but they're actually alive. Or if you prefer, you can get the plastic version. He just kept saying sorry, sorry and throwing me out.